guys, this right here is the best gun in BONELAB. See this board right here? First off, it has a flashlight that you can hold, turn off and on, and has a laser that's already on it. Hold on. That you can see. That laser. And a knife. For close encounters. So, hope you guys would use this gun in the future. And if you don't have ammo, no worries. You can just cock it like that. First off, before you put on these items, I would reload it, like load it first, so then put them on, so you won't have to cock it, because if you try cocking it, you just grab the knife or something, it wouldn't really work. But see, it could work sometimes. But in my opinion, the best way to do it is put flashlight kind of up top like this, and the knife kind of on the bottom like that. And it's really good to use. And oh yeah, I have another flashlight. I don't know why. Yeah, they're good. Best gun to use. But if you try putting it in your inventory, it just falls off. So keep that in mind, guys. So yeah, but let me show you how to put it together. So put the knife low down here like this. That's good enough. Wait, no, it's not. Not right here, you know. Right here, I should put it. There you go. Then get the flashlight. Put it like this. Right here. I guess you can say it's kind of hard to set up, I guess. I don't know. So you guys go. Best gun tutorial, I guess. And then if the bullet don't kill, running out of ammo, yeah. So there you guys go. Best gun ever. There you go. Honestly, not that hard to use. And for dark areas, it's dark sea, the flashlight will help. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And like and subscribe for another video. And yes, hit that bell so you don't miss another video. And stay tuned for just other videos, I guess. And flashlight to see your kill. And sometimes if the knife or something isn't blocking the laser, you'd be able to see the laser. But that's what you gotta watch out for right there, in case if it blocks. So yeah, once you plug, pop, goes down. So yeah.